On April 15, 2025, a Mountain Home, Arkansas police officer was on routine patrol when one driver caught his attention. The officer noticed him turn away, trying to shield his face, like someone desperate, not to be seen. What started as a simple traffic stop becomes something much more when the man gives a fake name and something hits the pavement, which he immediately tries to crush. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
How are you guys? Living the dream?
Living the dream? I'm just
Yeah.
getting in my car.
Okay. You got your driver's license with you? You got your license, buddy?
No, I don't.
What's your
driving.
name? What's your name?
Steve Johnson,
Steve Johnson.
I have mine.
What's your date of birth, Steve?
4872.
Can I get my stuff out of this car?
Just hang out right here. Can I get another unit? Hey, I should just grab a seat in front of my car. Hey, Steve, if you'll hop out for me, man. You can come hang out right there in front of my car for me. Just hang out right here.
What's the problem, Mark?
I'm going to be out here on the back side of Days Inn.
What's the problem?
I see you over here and you take a side road, then I get behind you and you whip off on Days Inn, so...
It's our car here.
Okay, well, I don't know that at the time, okay? That's probable cause to believe there's criminal stuff afoot, okay? Steve, what was your date of birth again, buddy?
4872.
4872. And Steve, you don't say you have an ID or nothing on you?
I don't have no.
Okay. You do have a driver's license, though, right? Okay. This your vehicle?
Dad's.
Your dad's? Okay. Sure your last name ain't Blair? No?
Yeah, it is Blair.
Yeah. Turn around and put your hands behind your back for me.
All right. Well, I got one.
Yep. I was out at your dad's place looking for you a couple weeks ago.
Where'd you?
Yeah.
No, I wasn't there, sir.
KDW 15. You got anything in your pockets that'll get you in trouble?
Probably, sir. I got a rig in there.
All right.
That's just one. And there's a bag of them, but they're clean in my side pocket.
Okay.
That's
Which
it.
pocket is that rig in?
That one right there.
This one right here?
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
it.
Just turn around. I'll grab it here in a second.
All right.
Actually, nothing in the car to get you in trouble or nothing?
I have several bags there.
Okay. You just giving you a ride or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me a ride. That's it.
Me and my old man's been into it
Have
over
you?
the weekend. So I wasn't at home.
Y'all gonna get back together or what's the
Broke
deal?
up, we just fight.
Just fighting?
Yeah.
I got you. It happens. Everybody does it.
Well, we've been together for 15 years, so
It's a long time.
I'll be out with you.
Hang tight right here, Steve. Let me grab some gloves. I'll grab that rig off you. Is it loaded? Don't reach for it. I'll get it.
No, hey, don't reach for it.
We're always in the car.
Oh, hey.
Huh?
We're always in the car.
What do you mean?
If you have anything else.
I don't have nothing else in the car. What is it, sir?
Well, you said there was a bag of just rig.
Yeah, just rig. I told him about it already. Yeah, I already told him about it.
He dumped 2 or 3 on the ground here.
There wasn't nothing there at night, and then there's a rig. That's it.
Oh, some fentanyl capsules.
Yeah.
Don't step on them, dude. What you doing? Quit.
Quit now.
Quit.
Hey, my arm's killing me, dude.
Good. Don't be trying to step on that.
Well, sorry,
You're
man.
getting charged with it either way.
Oh, there ain't nothing in there. It ain't fentanyl. You guys think it is, but it ain't. Damn it.
Quit.
What the f*** are you doing to me?
You've already tried to step on them once.
No, I haven't. They ain't fentanyl. You guys think
Lean
they
up
are?
against the car.
Yeah, you think they are, but they're not.
If they're not,
They're
you wouldn't
not.
be trying to step on them.
Well, no, they ain't.
No, well, this ain't our first rodeo
Well,
either.
they ain't anything. Test them, because they're not.
Well, there's something you're not supposed to have, or else you wouldn't try to be getting rid of.
Dorman's all it is.
Is it?
Dorman, that's it. That's an over-the-counter sleep aid.
Nothing underwear or anything weird
Yes,
like
sir.
that?
There's nothing.
Nothing in this pocket?
Nothing in that pocket. Like in that pocket, there ain't nothing in it.
We have to get the song on in there.
Yeah, you did.
Little Keith Whitley.
Yep.
No, have a seat back here. Been looking for him for a while.
Do
Actually,
I?
throw your purse up here. Anything in your pockets? Turn around for me. Nothing in your bra or anything like that?
Bra.
Okay. Mind grabbing your fingers right up under your shirt for me?
I don't have bras.
Okay, you're good. Hang tight right here. Ashley, which bag is yours?
Well, they're the big duffel bags with stuff. The other side's where my bags are.
Ashley, you want me to see if it's cool if you keep the keys to his car? That way you can get your stuff.
Just go by his dad's. That's my way.
I don't need that.
Did you look under your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you just stomped on that one. I'm almost convinced that night we went out to his dad's, he was there. Ashley, you can grab your stuff. All right, get out of here. Behave yourself. Don't be running around with tomfooleries like this guy. The only reason he even caught my attention, so I'm coming off over there by Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
Turn on Arkansas. Passes me. I see him like
Punch down.
punch down, takes a left. So I get turned around. I'm like, I'll run up 62 here and come out by the old firehouse. Come out by the firehouse, see him again. Punches down. Turn around, I ran, tagged him back to his dad. I'm like, what are the odds? That's Steven. Get behind him at the light. We come up here, immediate left, right in Days Inn. Stopped him. He's like, what are you stopping me for? I was like, I have reasonable suspicion to believe criminal activities afoot with you avoiding me like that. I'll probably run down to the sheriff's office. Is it a true narc tester?
Yeah. I'll let you back up.
Yeah.
And I'll make sure that there's not any more.
Yeah, he got out. I said, what's your name? He said, Scott Johnson. I was like, you sure it ain't? Got his last name already. You sure it ain't that? He's like, no. I'm like, you sure you look like him? Yeah, it is. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to bet that's fentanyl.
Oh, yeah. Guarantee it. I've seen it. The exact color scheme and everything.
Have you? Okay. Well, then you'd know.
41 PD. I'll be 15 on mail, 19 to the dick.
Do you want this other one here?
Yeah, 10-4. I'll take all.
There you are.
Thank you, lad.
No problem.
Stephen Blair was arrested and charged with obstructing governmental operations, possession of a controlled substance, fentanyl, tampering with physical evidence, 2 misdemeanor counts of failure to appear, and a revocation bench warrant. His bond was set at $6,050. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.